Oh my goodness. The wind is absolutely crazy right now. Like literally, I feel like the wind is about like 30 miles per hour right now. I have a feeling Friday's gonna be even worse because it's supposed to rain on top of it. Holy moly. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's a hurricane. Well, it's not really a hurricane because it's sunny. But still, the wind feels like a hurricane. Hurricane a coming. Ah. Even though there's no hurricanes and we don't get hurricanes here. We live in a place where we don't get hurricanes at all. Holy moly. Bro, if there was heavy rain on top of this high winds, we probably would have been out of power by now. Good thing it's sunny though. Cause man, TV's still on over there. Yeah. Bro, are the windows breaking? Holy moly. Yo. This is absolutely nuts. Imagine going a walk in this apocalypse. I don't even know where I even got that word from. I mean, I would love to take a walk because of how nice it is outside, but the... Yo! Holy moly! Holy moly! I'm about to explode right now. I'm about to explode. Bro, leaves are flying everywhere. Holy cow. Oh my god. Oh my god. This has to be about like 30 miles per hour right now. There's no way it would be at 20 miles. It's gotta be 30 miles per hour. Wind gusts probably about like 45 million. No, I'm just kidding. The wind would never be that kind of high. The highest wind I've ever seen was like 30 miles per hour, and this is what it's like right now. It's 30. That's gotta be like 30 miles per hour winds right now. Like, bro, if there was heavy rain on top of it, we probably would have been out of power. We probably been out of power right now. Like, probably about like 2 hours. Look at that tree. This tree is literally going crazy. Oh my god, bro. Holy moly. Whenever I hear that crack sound, oh my god. Whenever I hear this, yeah, that right there. That means the wind is blowing crazy. Dude, imagine going imagine going for a walk right now. Like literally, the wind would just blow you away. Like literally. Because this has to be about like 30 to 35 miles per hour. I'm not even surprised that we didn't even lose power. I mean, good thing it's sunny. Good thing it's not raining. Because we... Holy shoot. Oh my god, it's a hurricane. Hurricane a coming. But we don't get hurricanes at all. Like literally. All we get is just rain. All we get in this apocalypse is just rain and thunderstorms and sun and clouds and like literally we don't get any hurricanes, any tornadoes, any what else? We don't get any like I don't know. Hurricanes hurricanes are pretty dangerous and powerful. Because literally, hurricane season is happening right now in Louisiana and Florida and all those other places. Yeah, some of you may have heard of Hurricane Delta. It's going around, but I'm pretty sure it's over with right now, but I don't know if it is, but it's supposed to rain tomorrow, by the way. And if this wind still keeps blowing, if this wind is like, I don't know, if this wind perception keeps on going until tomorrow, like if it rains while the wind is still blowing, still been blowing, I don't know, we might be on the verge of losing power again. Because last year we had a thunderstorm in September where the wind was just like this, except there was a lot of rain and thunder and lightning, and we lost power because of it. And it took until 2 p.m. It took until the next day at 2 p.m. to get the power back. And it was not it was not fun. It was not pretty. It was not anything. There was zero fun out of that storm. And also, guys, in case if you didn't wonder, we actually had the same exact storm like this last Wednesday, October 7th, but we surprisingly survived it and did not lose power that time. We got extremely lucky. Some houses, some residents did lose their power, but they probably got it back. And man, that storm was just no joke. I have a feeling this rainstorm tomorrow is going to be no joke. I might make a video of it, I don't know. But still, like, I'm going to show you the backside of this. I'm going to go in the back and open up the window, and I'm going to show you how bad it is. Okay, so I'm in the back right now. Wow. My goodness, this is crazy. This is literally the craziest thing ever. Like, literally. You can even hear the wind if a window was open, but it's actually not too bad. It's actually not too cold. Temperature is saying they were supposed to be 70 today. Like, in the mid-70s. So, yeah, so maybe it's not actually going to be so bad. God, that sun, though. Oh my goodness. It's like never ending. It's like a never ending wind apocalypse. Or something, I don't know. Oh my god. This is going wild. This is going really wild. It's really beautiful, but the wind is the only thing that ruins it. Like, literally, the wind is the only thing that ruins it, but it's always nice to have some wind, you know, but not this kind of wind. Oh boy, wind's blowing again. Holy moly.